I'm assuming at this point you've given it a shot, and let's go through and let's just take a look at what's it going to look like. So again, I'm going to give myself a few new lines here, and let's start with a new array. Let's call it filtered names J. And again, just like map, all we do is call down our names variable, the array we want to call filter on it. That's a pretty good starting point. So if you got here, know that you're actually on the right track a good amount. Just like map, filter also takes a function. So let's go ahead and let's do name. And since we're only returning a given conditional, and that conditional is pretty simple, I'm going to go ahead and exclude the curlies and also use an implicit return. So let's think about this. Filter has to work on a conditional. What can my conditional be? Well, let's think about this. This is the name of every artist in this array. So as this call to filter iterates, it's going to go over every single name in this array. Recall also that names are a lot like arrays of characters in that you can access them via indices. So if I want the first letter of a string, it's kind of like accessing the first letter of an element of the first element of an array. So if I do something like this, well, you might be saying that's how you access the first element of an array. Will it work if I want to check the first letter of a string? And well, there's no better way than to just try it. So let's go ahead and compare it to J. And we want capital J here because remember, it's the first letter of our first name, so we're going to use proper capitalization here. And then let's go ahead and just console.log filtered names J. And let's see what happens here. So go ahead and get this good to go. And then let's go ahead and clear out our terminal. Call it. And then let's take a look down here, and there we go. John Lennon and Jimi Hendrix. So in fact, this is a valid way to check what the first letter of a given string is.